I've always been curious about how sausages are made in factories, but never had the guts to actually find out. Well, that is until now. Behind me is a factory that makes over 800,000 sausages every single day. That's 800,000 reasons for me to find out how they do it. We're talking about the biggest sausage factory in the world. So this place knows a thing or two about making sausages. In fact, I learned that this factory produces more than 10 tons of sausages every hour, and the process starts with the pigs. The pigs are usually kept in really dark and dank sheds with thousands of other pigs. They have no room to move around, and they're fed a corn-based diet so that they get nice and fat. After about 180 days, they're ready to be slaughtered. Now, I'm not going to show you the slaughtering process because it's pretty gruesome, and frankly, I don't want to upset any vegans. But let's just say that after the pigs are stunned, their throats are slit and they're skinned. What's left is a pile of pig parts, including the heart, liver, and lungs. These are all chopped up and mixed together. Seasonings and spices are added, things like salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, and dextrose. All of these ingredients are combined in huge industrial mixers for 45 minutes. The temperature is kept at 2 degrees Celsius, and the whole mixture is thoroughly blended to make sure that it's consistent. That's very important, because every sausage has to be exactly the same. They can't have any lumps or uneven bits because the machine that makes the sausages has to be clean and efficient. Every sausage has to be perfectly round and the casings have to be intact. Otherwise, the sausages won't cook properly and customers will complain. The next step is stuffing the intestines. Traditionally, this was done by hand, but now it's done by a machine. The intestines are cleaned, and then the sausage mixture is forced through them. Once the intestines are full, they're tied off at one end and then twisted into links. The sausages are then put into a smoker where they're cooked and smoked for 12 hours. During this process, the temperature inside the sausages reaches 86 degrees Celsius. This kills any remaining bacteria and makes them safe to eat. It also gives them that delicious smoky flavor that we all love. The final step is packaging. The sausages are taken out of the smoker and then packaged for sale. They're either frozen or refrigerated. And depending on the customer, they may be vacuum sealed or put in an oxygen-rich package. They may also be labeled with cooking instructions or even a barcode. After that, they're ready to be shipped all around the world. It takes about 20 minutes to make 100 kilograms of sausages. That's 200 sausages or 40 packs of 5 sausages each. Each pack weighs 1 kilogram. They come in different varieties like beef, chicken, turkey, pork, and lamb. And they're sold in many countries, including Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, Germany, Japan, Korea, Mexico, Russia, and the United States. Some customers even ask for special shapes, colors, and sizes. If you buy generic sausages, they probably came from this factory. So now you know how your sausages are made. Is the process as a whole disturbing? Maybe. Are some parts of it particularly unpleasant? Possibly. But it's also kind of interesting to see how something that we eat every day is made. We should be grateful for the hard work of the people who make our food, and we should appreciate the convenience of buying pre-made meals. Of course, if you're vegan, then this video has probably put you off your food. And if that's the case, then why not check out my video on how plant-based meat substitutes are made? If you enjoyed diving into the world of manufacturing with us, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. There's so much more behind-the-scenes magic coming your way. Let's explore how the world is made, one process at a time.